Hi, my dear friends and students. This is Satya, Java Real Time Guy. My full name is MNVV Satyanarayana. With this video clip, I am going to show you how to install JDK and how to set environment to compile and execute Java programs anywhere at command prompt in Windows operating system. To install JDK in Windows, you must verify whether it is 32-bit Windows or 64-bit Windows. Why? Because for 32-bit Windows, we have to install 32-bit JDK. For 64-bit Windows, we have to install 64-bit JDK. To check your PC operating system type or Windows operating system type, click on Start button, right click on Computer, click on Properties, then you can see System Type, 64-bit operating system. So in this PC, I have to install 64-bit JDK. To install 64-bit JDK, let me download 64-bit JDK from the website oracle.com. Now, to download 64-bit JDK, okay, select downloads, then Java for developers, Java for your computer. Okay, please choose Java for developers. Here, Java SE 8 update 5. It's the latest version of Java. Java Standard Edition 8 update 5. Click on download. Now scroll the page. Okay, click on accept license agreement. Now you can see JDK is there for Linux 32-bit, JDK is there for Linux 64-bit, JDK is there for Apple Macintosh OS 64-bit, JDK is there for Solaris operating system, JDK is there for Windows 32-bit, JDK is there for Windows 64-bit. Okay, click on this file to download JDK 8 for Windows 64-bit, click on save. No need to save it. Why? Because I have downloaded this file earlier. Cancel this one, and this file is available on the desktop. Double click on this file to install the JDK. Now you can see Java SE Development Kit 8 Update 5 setup, 64-bit setup. Click on next. By default, the JDK is going to be installed into C:/program files/Java directory. Now I'm going to change this installation directory. My habit is installing JDK into a directory called as C:/sun. Now, so the JDK is going to be installed into C:/sun/JDK8. Click on next. This installation will take a couple of minutes. Now, okay, this JRE installation. It's along with the JDK, public JRE installation. By default, the public JRE is also going to be installed into program files Java with the directory name JRE8. I'm going to change this location also to my desired location C:/sun/JRE8, that is JDK, and this is public JRE. Click on OK. Now click on next. Wow, 3 billion devices run Java. And this will also take a couple of minutes. Now, wow, Java SE Development Kit 8 Update 5 64-bit successfully installed in our PC. Click on close. Now let me try to verify the commands javac and javac. Javac, the compiler. Javac is not recognized as internal or external command or operable program or batch file. Why it's not working? We have already installed. Because the javac is an exe file stored in JDK bin directory. Try this. Go to users, go to sun directory, go to JDK directory, go to bin directory. Now type javac command. It is working here. If you come out from bin directory, if I type javac command, it's not. How to make this javac to work anywhere? Setting path, environment. Now how to set this environment? Click on start button, click on my computer, and then click on properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables. Here we have to set two variables. One is java underscore home, another one is path. Why java underscore home? Java underscore home is a variable which contains JDK installation directory location, which is going to be used by few servers and few IDEs. So let me first set up the java underscore home. It's a basic one. Java underscore home. Now, tell me, where did we install? Yeah, c:/sun/jdk8. Yes, it's a home directory of the JDK Java. After this, next one is path. There was an existing variable path. Click on edit. Go to home. Now, c:/sun/jdk8/bin semicolon. Actually, this one we have to set at the beginning of the path. But c:/sun/jdk is already available in a variable. That's why let me reuse that. Percentage java underscore home %/bin. Now, so whenever we write %java underscore home %, it will substitute the value that is stored in java underscore home /bin. Then click on OK. So java underscore home is c:/sun/jdk8. Path is %java underscore home %/bin. Now, if you type, go to the command prompt. If you type javac, it will work anywhere. Go back, type here, it will work anywhere. See the version, java-version. See the interpreter version also, java-version. It's working fine. Okay. What is this path? What is this java underscore home? What is this class path? If you want to learn, I'll give you another video clip on the environment variables. Please see this about path, java underscore home, and the class path in another video clip. Environment variables video clip. In this case, setting class path is not required, but setting path is mandatory. Well, let me test with a simple application. Notepad. First app.java. Let me test the compilation and execution with simple basic application. Sorry. MD creators. Go to creators directory. Sorry. Go to creators directory. Notepad. First app.java. Public class. First app. Public static void main string triple dot args opening braces and closing braces system dot out dot printf. Hi, welcome to MNVV Satya Narayana sir. Java world. Now compile the example with the command javac java space first app. Hi, welcome to MNV Satyanarayana Java world. Well, now in this video clip, I have explained how to install JDK and how to set environment to compile and execute Java programs anywhere at the command prompt. Thank you friends. Have a nice day. We'll meet you in another video clip.